Predators and their prey have carved their livelihoods between the imposing peaks. Shrubs and rocks offer cover for an ambush. There are inexperienced youngsters among the herd, prime targets. She must remain downwind and out of sight of the dominant male, who stands sentinel over the entire herd of females and young. She will have to approach very carefully. The essence of stealth. She is almost upon them. The female puma has a target in her sights. Strong, swirling winds could betray her scent at any moment. She takes advantage of the mountain shadow, but she can't avoid the sunlight completely. Although strong and agile, she can't outrun Guanaco with top speeds of 30 miles an hour. Her only option is surprise. They run, but it's too late. Her next meal is now assured.